guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ailey if you're new, and I am sweating! Oh my god, I don't even know what temperature it is here in Scotland, but wow, is it humid and warm. So today's video, we're going to be trying, what we're going to try today. I have two videos to film today. One of them is going to be testing some stuff from Vive, and the other one is testing out the Jaclyn cosmetics stuff. So I think what we'll do is we will do Jaclyn in this video. So I decided to order something from her collection. Again, I'm always getting suckered into it. The postage takes forever to get here and it's really quite expensive stuff, but I always get suckered in. And to be honest, blushes is something that I don't think I have enough of. Like, I have a Revolution palette and I have a really nice Tarte palette that I like, but I use like one shade or two shades in each of those. So I wanted to kind of branch out a little bit more, and I really like the idea of her cream blushes. So we're gonna do that today. I am so incredibly hot, like I'm sweaty. That's, sorry, TMI. But anyway, I'm gonna throw on some foundation and we will sort of I'll just jump in when I'm using these products. What I'm gonna probably do is put the cream blush on one side, powder on the other, something like that, try and match up the shades. I have one of her lipsticks as well, so this, well, it's a lip cushion, this one, and they're kind of themed with her blushes. So I'm going to put my foundation on and I'll be right back. Hi! Okay, so I have done other bits and pieces. I actually did my little review on the Jamie Genevieve Vive stuff. If you want to see that, I'll link it up here for you, but this is it on my face. Okay, so I got the palette. I got the warm toned palette that is Rouge Romance, but is it like, are they both called different things? I'm not sure. This one says Rouge Romance on it anyway. And I love the packaging of this, the actual proper packaging. It's all flowers and roses on the back. Really nice sort of powdery blue tones. Inside, I love this part. I love it, I love it. This is like my favourite thing. So what I'm going to do is we'll look at this one as well. So I didn't know what shade to go for, so I went for Overruled in the cream blush. And I love the packaging of these, they're so cute. Rose gold's like my favourite, but that's it there. Oh my god, it smells like crayons. That is it there. It's really, really soft. So what I think I'm going to do is probably apply that with a brush. But just before we crack on, I got one of the lips as well. And this one is Sincerely Yours. I didn't know what colour to choose again. I just kind of picked one. That is it there. So it goes, I suppose it goes kind of well with the blush. Obviously the lip is here, the blush is there. It's a little bit, it's sort of like a dark mauve. I don't know, I'm really not good at describing colours, but it's a good match for the blush anyway. Take it off like that, because I think it'll just be too intense otherwise. And yeah, like that's me dabbing it off on my hand. So I'm just going to do that, and then I'm going to... I do have bronzer in that on, but I haven't powdered as such. So I like my cream blushes to be really buildable because I can go in with such a heavy hand. Okay, I've gone in a little bit heavy handed there, but you can see the colour anyway. That's coming across on camera. It's not quite as scary dark as I thought it was going to be. It's got a nice sort of nude vibe to it. It's really sort of kind of nice in that way. So on the other side, I figured, I think I'll go in with Fancy Pants. The coral one. It's kind of annoying when you're trying to review a palette and obviously there's like so many to choose from. Well, that is Fancy Pants. I like that name. I'm just just going to dust off this brush a little bit and just diffuse it a little bit. Go a little bit on the nose. That's nice. I mean, try to figure out kind of like how much to use and stuff like that. It's a little bit like, you do have a lot of nice shades in this palette. Do I? That's all the shades there. So we have Boudoir, Tea Room, Tempting, Fancy Pants, Pretty Posh, and Ever After. You can see they're sort of, I mean, they're not going to be like bam in your face colors. They're blushes, they are not eyeshadows, but they are really, they're really nice complementary shades, and they're not too crazy because obviously you blend them out. So yeah, I'm quite impressed with that. The formula's okay. The formula isn't crazy. This blends out really nicely. I'm not going to use a lip liner because she doesn't have a lip liner for this, but you could use a lip liner. I just want to see what the formula's like. Okay, I wasn't sure the formula there at first. It's a little bit of a, what's the word? Sticky formula, tacky formula, is that the right word I'm looking for? Like when you pull it out, there's some resistance when you're pulling the wand out. And it's kind of, it's not moussey, it's like sticky. It doesn't feel sticky on your lips though, it just feels thick. Like a really thick formula. But it makes it really easy to apply without a lip liner, because you can sort of go in and just extend the edge of your lip liner or whatever. But yeah, so that's it there, that's it on my hand. Nice formula. I don't know if it dries down. I don't know if it's supposed to dry down. I don't think it is. Get Rich Creamy Lip Colour in Blushing Hues with an ultra lightweight blurring finish. I don't know what that means. I don't know how people come up with these things. So anyway, yeah, that is two of the blushes and the lip. What do I think of it? I like it. I mean, the lip, not so sure yet. I have others just like it, to be honest. But so far, it feels really nice and comfortable. It is a pest getting it to the UK. It's quite a lot in shipping. It's like $20 shipping or something like that. It takes them ages to send stuff out, hence why I'm like the last person to review this. But her stuff's nice. I think if she ends up selling through Morphe or gets into Beauty Bay or something like that, it would be so much more exciting to get like a launch. It's a wee bit like, it reminds me of Jeffree Star, when Jeffree Star only really used to sell from his website, and then obviously came over and partnered with Beauty Bay, and you can now get his stuff through that. So whenever there's a launch, you don't feel really left out, like, you know, everybody in America's getting all their stuff like 2 and 3 days after they've ordered, and you're waiting like over 2 weeks for it. But I do like it. I do, you know, I seem to like sort of everything I've gotten. I missed Lipstick Gate. I was gonna, and then I forgot about the launch and like totally missed it. So I haven't had like a horrible experience or anything like that. I did obviously order her bronzers, and they were never ever sent out to me. So I suppose that constitutes as a bad impression, but they refunded me. So I mean, it's no biggie. But this, I like. I think I will definitely use it more. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it for this video. I don't want it to be an eternity long. I really like this stuff, and I think that if you're gonna buy it, you definitely won't be disappointed anyway. She does have the cool toned palette that kind of piggybacks on this. Nothing to say that you can't wear either or palette, it's just personal preference. I like warm tones, and that's what I decided to get. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Obviously, if you enjoyed this video, I would love if you would give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you want to see the ultimate wear tests, I have been doing basically foundation versus mask, and I am going to be continuing to do it. So one will obviously be up already. I'll link it up there for you. Subscribe and like this video, obviously. Subscribe if you want to see more of that. Basically what I do is I put on foundation and I go to work and I wear my mask all day, and we see how it holds up through the day. So yeah, if you have any requests on which foundation you'd like to see me try, I have like a drawer full down here, but I can obviously get more. Let me know in the comment section below. But apart from that, I will hopefully see you guys in my next video. Bye!